Thank you guys for yet another class. And also we're going to continue from where we stopped on Wednesday. And I'm very, very excited that on Wednesday, some of will I say, I wouldn't want to use that word or phrase, majority of us, have been able to, get through the rigorous processes of setting up our automation framework, and it's working, it's stable. And last week, I actually intended to make it not to be a long video, even though if it spilled over. And today we will try as much as possible not to make it a long video, and we'll definitely go straight to the point. Okay, not to flog the the issue too much. Some of us, our automation is stable and running, right? Florence, your automation is stable and running. Am I right? If it is okay, say yes. Florence?
Yes.
Okay. Dennis, is your automation framework stable now and running?
Yes, it's running. Okay.
Okay. Adenaka, is your automation stable and running?
Yes, it's running.
Okay. Adebayo, is your automation stable and running?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ada, I understand that you and I needed to catch up, okay? Yours it's not stable yet and running, right?
Yes, it's not.
Okay, Victor, what about you? Same issue, right?
It's running.
Victor, is yours running?
Yeah.
Victor, can you share your screen?
All right. Here.
I'm sure I can see it. I'm just kidding. Hi, I'm Star, the manager. How are you? Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Matt. Of course, who doesn't know you? Especially if you've talked around. Of course I know you. I'm with Matt.
Victor, bạn có còn bên này đây chờ nào. Nhưng mà so we boy in a war, cái mà đang bên này dân gang này. Cái gì à cái đi đâu mà này thôi đấy bác nó tập bên đó tụi nó gì.
Hi. Dennis, can you mute your mic, please? Yeah, Victor, okay. Victor, run your test.
That is my. Yeah, I just did.
Yes, I'm seeing it now.
Fantastic.
Victor,
Nice,
can I see your can you the execution space? Can you drag it up a little bit so we will see? Yeah, fantastic. Were you watching the videos?
Yeah.
Good, good. Victor, I have a gift for you. It's Christmas
you.
card. Don't be too expectant. It's Christmas card.
Definitely, no problem.
Drag that bar, the side bar down. No, not that one. Drag that one up a little bit.
The side bar.
And if you go inside there, where yes, that one. Yes. Drag it down all the way down. Don't worry. Drag it down. Okay. The total test run 3 passes, 3 failures. Fantastic, Victor. So Victor, let me hang in there, okay? Let me share a code with you on how to generate the test report, okay?
Okay.
Guys, please, whenever these videos are being shared, it should be within you guys, because sometimes we are families, right? We cannot shut down our kids or our family sometimes when the background noise is there. It's understood because we are all family people. You understand? So pardon Victor, for the background noise sometimes, And this videos is meant to be our own video, not for public, okay? Victor, let me share this code with you, okay?
Okay.
Go to your base test.
All right.
I want to share this this code in
On
the Zoom. Victor, I want to send it to you, to your own, so that you get it.
Okay, to my own Zoom.
I don't know what is wrong with my Zoom. Sometimes you cannot see it, and it will tell me something. So I will look at my own, Victor, right? I normally have chat. Victor, pick it from your own chat, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming. Let me just finish with Victor so that we'll get ours done, okay? Yeah. Guys, if you've not gotten this on how to generate your test report, because if your automation is working and you are working in an organization, stakeholders wants to know your test report for the sake of transparency and accountability. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay? Can you hear me? So,
I've copied the code.
Yes, I'm coming. Just a moment. Go to your base test, okay? Your base test.
All right, I'm there.
Okay. Put your cursor on line 21. You can say enter so that you give one space on. Okay, drop it there. The one you copied. And let's import classes. Import class. Import. Now, import. Now, Victor, observe this. Do it again. Don't move your cursor up. Don't move your cursor. Import. See this blue space, right? The scenario, the one that is blue. Double click on it. Double click. Okay, fantastic. Now, Just to give a little bit explanation of what that means, if you notice on line 27, it say take screenshot, okay? Scenarios, okay? What that means is that we are going to be taking a screenshot of every step of our test cases, so that we can people can share our codes, people can use our codes, and also we can demo to the stakeholders that this is what we are doing with the testing team. Do you understand? The testing engineers. This is what so that the non-stakeholder, the non-technical people can understand where we are coming from. And I will explain that when you demo this, okay? They can understand what we are doing because they can see it. Because I think I read in a blog, when people that don't understand, you know, um, what we are doing in a technical way because they are not technically inclined, uh, screenshots can give them a better idea, a better view of what we are doing. That's why we want to take a screenshot of every executions that we do. Okay? And it's going to come up on line 29 as an image on PNG. PNG is a image format. We have the JPEG, we have the PNG, and all that. The way pictures, photos appear, in different extension, okay, or in different format. So what we will do now is let me look at your project folder structure area to see if you've already have your extend.properties and spark-config.xml there installed, okay? Now, it is not there. So what we need to do now is to right-click on our resources. No, if you see by the side of where you click now, that resources, drop that greater than symbol down. Not that, that's target. That's target. The resources. Okay, fine. You see, we don't have we have our text.xml already installed. Not text.xml. It is test.ng. So if you right click, let's reformat. Right click, right click, right click. Let's rename. Then the text, the EX. The X. Yes, say S. Beautiful, beautiful. Say refactor. Fantastic. Then click on the resources. Right click on it. Victor, I'm going to give you this code, okay?
All right.
Then you just put there, right click on it, say new. File.
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 All right.
Say extent.properties. Extent, no, EX. Start with E. Dot properties. Enter. Fantastic. So, Victor, pick this code, okay? And put it, I will explain, okay? I've sent you that code. Copy from there down. Closed.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Open your IntelliJ and put it there.
Okay. Done.
Beautiful. On line 14. Line 14. Line 14. Change your name to your name and remove my name. Because you are the engineer, the QA engineer that is performing the automation, right?
Yeah.
Guys, even if you've done this before, let it be a kind of rehearsal for you, be thinking of, and everything. Let me explain from one. We are creating an extent report Spark, which is true, and it say equals to true. That's what we are creating. Then we are going to have a test output HTML report we are going to be creating. And it's going to be an automation test report.html in HTML format. That's why we have the extension .html. And we are going to be creating it in test output. That test output, everybody and Victor, is going to be under target. Okay? And that test output or test result, if you will call it, is going to be under SRC test resources spark.config. And that's, I've explained this before, but it's going to be under our resources. So that's what it's telling us on line 3. And we have also instructed it that we're going to be taking screenshots. So it's going to be on screenshot directory. It's going to create a directory under that test output as well, that we are going to have our HTML report, which is the test output on line 2. We're going to have the same, we're going to have our HTML report on test output. And that test output is going to be under target. And the same screenshots we are going to have too, all right, under inside the test output on line 4. Screenshots are going to be inside that test output. So test output is like a folder we have created on line 2 that we're going to have our HTML reports. And we are going to have also our screenshots inside that test output that we have created under that target folder on under our project directory. Okay? So the path of that test output that our screenshot is going to be is what has reflected on line 5. And also, we now say we are creating our extent report to have a PDF file of our test report too, which is on line 6. We have also instructed the extent.reporter that we are creating HTML report in extent.reporter, which is the main folder that we are creating. We are creating HTML report, extent.reporter line 2. We are creating HTML report. Extent.reporter, we are creating screenshots. Extent.reporter line 6, we are going to also create PDF so that we can attach it and send it to our cross-functional team members, send it to stakeholders, and also send it to our wiki link. If as time goes on, you know what this means. On our projects, the personal project we are having, wherever we are, there's a wiki link or there's a I'll remember now that we need to be, putting in our, what I said, it depends on if organizations and projects to projects, if they need us to be if they need us to be having test report every day, every week, or every sprint, the end of every sprint. So we have to get our test report ready. How many test cases we created? How many test cases we executed? How many test cases that passed? How many test cases that failed? And how many test cases that was deferred? This, the larger stakeholders need to know every details and information about the tests we are carrying out. We need to carry everybody along. So there got to be, you know, openness in everything we do. So that's for that. With respect to line 7, we are going to be creating PDF reports. Okay? Then, of course, the base folder here, all about what we are doing here is test reports. Okay? And the base folder is going to have a date time pattern. The pattern is going to be day, month, year, hour, minute, seconds, everything is going to show on the dashboard, which is on line 11. So there's going to be a dashboard that people will go there, will see what we are doing. We are transparent, we are open as testers. So this system information, the operating system we are using, some people are using Mac or whatever. So change it. If you are using Mac, change it, the OS, the operating system to Mac. And because we have the operation system as Windows, I'm using Windows. Then the engineer that is responsible for this automation, for this testing, is Victor Yang. The project is OpenCat. We are e-commerce site that we are automating now, right? And the browser we are using is Chrome. Okay, and this is extent report, that is very, very popular with testers and also with project with organization as well. Okay, so Victor, create another resource under resource. Create another one that right click and go to new and go to file. So here we're going to have spark-config.xml. spark config hyphen. No, not underscore. That is underscore. The one you did before. Hyphen, correct. Config, or in small letters, CONFIG. 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 Config.xml. Okay. Enter. Now, Victor, please kindly pick this code. Okay, Victor, scroll up. Okay. So this is the extension of that extent report we are having. It's an extent report. So the way the dashboard is going to happen, that is what this this spark.config is telling us. On line 4.5 is going to be a report theme that's going to be on dark. The dashboard is going to be dark, and the document encoding is UTF-8. And now, what that UTF it means is that there's going to be a character encoding system that every other languages can understand and translate to their own. This is in English. Chinese can translate any code that is encoded in UTF-8. They can translate it. Germans can translate it. French can translate it. Do you understand? Spanish can translate it. It's a kind of character encoding that is universal, that every other languages can understand and translate it without difficulties and without adulterating those things. That's what UTF_8 means. And I will give you more information about it as we go on, Okay? Then the protocol for script and style sheet is going to be HTTPS, protocol that is going to use. So what that means is that is going to be using the XML. XML is extensible markup language that is independent of every programming languages, that every programming languages can use because they have the libraries that they can pass the XML. Okay? That's what it means. Title of the document is automation. We are creating automation framework. Okay? And also, the report name is, we are dealing with e-commerce. We've been automating an e-commerce website. So it's an e-commerce test we are doing. And the timestamp format. The timestamp format is going to be month, day, and year, hours, minutes, and seconds. That's the timestamp. And most times, most of us that are from this side of the world, we normally have our timestamp format as day, month, year. So it depends. And the whole scripting of this particular test script that you are looking at is written in JavaScript that is being used to create it. So that's why you have it there, okay? So, Victor, just go to your main menu and build project, and let's run it once again so that we can generate our report. So after everything you run it, okay? tearing down our browser that we
It's
have.
running.
Yeah, it's running. It has run everything. It's just tearing down. Fantastic. Now, if you go to your base test, okay, click your base test. You have to close this one before you click your base test. That's why you see that tearing down class. Go to your base test. Your base test. If you notice very well, we say online 18. We are setting up our browser. And line 86, we are initializing our browser, public static web driver. We are using Chrome, which we have indicated on line 20. We are not using anything like Internet Explorer or Firefox. We say, guys, we say, Selenium, Mr. Selenium, we are initializing you. Please set your initialization up on line 18. That's why I say public void setup. We set it up. What are we setting up? Line 20, a new Chrome driver we are setting up. Every time we are setting up a new Chrome driver. Because reason being that on line 32, we are tearing down anything we are setting up. We don't want to have a residue of anything with any browser we set up. We don't want to keep anything that we have set up. That's why we have to tear down. Reason being that for security reasons and also for maintainability and also for our automation to look clean. Because we don't want to leave anything. For example, there might be developmental error from the developers and we still have Victor 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓 stubbornly stuck inside that username after we have automated the particular, test case. So by the time we want to do it again, Victor 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓 might be stubborn to live there, and we cannot put Harold olotu@yahoo.com, so it will fail. That's why it's good to tear down. Everything will be clean. It's like you went, like, let me be analogical in a way. You go to a kitchen, right? You cook your stew and you pour up the stew and you just put the plate, the pot down again without washing it. And someone is coming to cook maybe a jollof rice or something. How will you think that will look like? You did not keep the kitchen clean and you've used the kitchen and everything and you just leave it like that. So it's going to be chaotic in a way. Just have an idea of that. But if you're able to clean it up, clean the kitchen, clean the plates, clean the gas, someone is coming again to cook, it's going to cook on a new note. Do you understand? No time for it to be due, because the reason being that things are changing in the testing world every day. A whole lot of things are changing. A whole lot of things is being improved. Do you understand? That's why it's good, this idea of iterate before and iterate after. Before we initialize whatever we want to initialize on 21, we maximize the windows on 22. We use explicit wait in case the application is not as fast as the Selenium that we have created to automate it. So it will wait for the Selenium will wait for the application for 10 seconds to come up and everything. That's why we are using on line 22 explicit wait. We use wait, let's wait for 10 seconds for this application to wake up so that Selenium will be clicking, the visible element that is clickable. You understand what I'm saying? So that is the reason why we have 22. Line 22, we need to maximize timeout implicit wait. We are using that wait 10 seconds for every code, the 3 codes that we are executing, and it's dynamic that we have used. It's kind of dynamic. Why do I make dynamic? They don't have to wait for the 10 seconds. If it is 5 seconds, the application is able to wake up. Hey, Mr. Selenium, start inspecting the element. Bam, bam, bam. Do you understand? Okay. As a guest, thread.sleep. I think as time goes on, we'll teach you guys that one. Thread.sleep means even if the application wakes up 5 o'clock, thread.sleep will tell you, Mr. Selenium, wait for 10 seconds. Wait, it's 10 seconds. Then let's go. But we are using this implicit way without thread.sleep, meaning if the application is able to be visible within 5 seconds, 2 seconds, then the remaining 5 seconds, the remaining 7 seconds will be discarded. Then they will move on with whatever they want to do. Okay? So that's the explicit wait there. We have different type of wait that we use. As time goes on, you will know this, okay? All right? So when all these are stable, then we say let's get our tutorial, Ninja's website, After we have taken pictures and everything and all that, then we will tear down our Chrome driver that we have used. That's why if you notice, we don't have any Chrome driver available there to check, because we've already tear it down. So Victor, check on your test report. Let's see what you have under that target on your left-hand side. If you carefully look at the green area, you look at that test report. If you can pull it down by the side, the test report, then you see the HTML report, and if you can drop it down the side, then double click on there, the automation.
On the automation?
Yes.
Okay.
Then there will be a pop-up on your main. Click it. Double click it. Now, if you hover on this thing that I just showed, now this HTML.
This one?
If you notice, there's a new page that just appeared now, right?
Yeah.
Hover on it.
Yeah.
Take your console, hover on it.
Yes.
Go to this side, go inside. Okay. If you are patient, you observe on your right-hand side, you will see IntelliJ icon, Chrome icon. Look at it on your right-hand top. You are going to your left-hand side now on the screen. On your
Okay, yeah.
Okay, that one, click on that Chrome icon. Let's see the result of our test that you have conducted. So this is the result that is showing us the time it started, the time the execution ended, the features file is 1, and the fail 0% fail. So if you scroll down by the sidebar there, it's going to give you additional information about who ran the test, the time it took to run the test, the name, you see the engineer, the QA is you, Victor, the project is an e-commerce application, the browser is Google, the operating system is Windows. Okay, so if you go to your extreme left, where the graph, those tiny graphs that they've made, the next one, if you click it, that one.
The graph? Okay.
Yes, click that one. Okay, you see, we ran 2 tests to validate login with valid credentials and to validate with invalid credentials. So if you click the valid credentials now, click inside. Click it once. Okay, click the next one, the valid credential, the one. Yes, that one. Click it. You see, Victor, the website we automated just now. Our code was like every step snap. We want to show our cross-functional team and our stakeholders what we are doing. Okay, this is a whole brand new powerful way of presenting your test case. Okay, you see, given I'm on the e-commerce homepage, exactly where you are, it will snap it. Boom. When I click my account link, exactly where you are there, if you notice the scroll down inside.
These are your socks.
Scroll down.
If you click inside the green area, probably
Okay.
you just scroll down. Then if you are able to, when you click it and you come out of it, you are able to scroll down.
Can't.
You can, maybe it's a system. Everything is inside.
Maybe.
But anyway,
Yeah.
so every of your test step, if don't click anywhere, I'm not telling you. Every of your test step is being screenshotted for us to know. For example, Victor, if you click any of these image that you are saying, you will see it more. If you click it once, you see, it will show us where we are. It will completely show that, okay, we are doing the right thing and what we are automating is visible, okay? So that's for that, okay? So if you, yes, go to your IntelliJ for us to, see what has happened, in our PDF report. If you go to your extreme left, to your project, don't worry about this, just go down to your PDF report. Go down all the way down. After target,
All right.
inside that place, click before, come down.
I've seen it.
Yeah, open that. Now go. Wait. Double click on that. If you have a PDF extension, it will show. Except you don't have PDF on your phone installed. If you don't have PDF installed on your computer, it will not show. So that's pretty much your test and your test report and everything. Okay, this is something that will be very, very powerful on your resume. So if you scroll down, you will see. Now here it shows that the clock, wherever, is pointing at 100% green, meaning all your test cases passed. No one is deferred, and no one failed. Okay. So if you look at this properly, you will have a better idea of what is accepted from you as a tester when it comes to testing. So you can see where the green started from, maybe 85%. So every now and then when you are running or you are writing your test cases, what is expected of you as, okay, you are doing well, everything should be okay, what is acceptable? All testing needs to pass over 80%. Can you hear me? So
Yes.
that, okay, you see where the green started. So that is what is expected of us. Everything should be above 80, 90, and that is what is expected from the stakeholders. This is a default information, which can be, can be, we can discuss that, you know what I mean? So scroll down a little bit, finally, so that we can go to Ada and see what Ada is doing with us. Scroll down. So these are the feature, the name, login functionality for email, for e-commerce website, the duration it took, the test execution and everything. So scroll down all the way, scroll down. So basically you have your automation always set up with test report. Okay, you can scroll down, continue to scroll down. So as time goes on, it's something that can be optimized, you know what I mean, and everything. Okay, so not to waste too much time, if we can switch to Ada. So you can stop sharing.
All right.
Ada, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm sharing.
Ada, can you show
Yeah.
your
Yeah, I'm
login?
sharing. Is my
Okay,
screen
your
that
login.
now?
Yeah, I can see it. Your login step feature. Okay. Okay, now build project. Sorry that I wasn't looking. Have you built it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's generate the snippet, okay? By running the login.feature. Guys, 3 ways we can run this login.feature, right? 3 ways. And if you go to your left-hand side under your project folder structure, come down to that login step under that place. So right-click on the login feature.
Okay.
Guys, we can run this project here like this. Run feature, right? 1. And then leave that place. Take your cursor to the class that you have opened, to the file that you have opened. Now you see the top now on that header menu, the login feature. Login.feature.
Yeah, that's where I am.
And go there now. Go there. Put your cursor there. The login.feature that one. Yes. Right click it. We can run it here, guys. Okay, that's the second way of running it. And also we can run it, if you notice, if you look at it, feature.login there on the button by that debug, whatever. Leave there, let this drop down go. Let the drop down go.
Which drop down?
This one that you are in now. Just click anywhere on the page and let this one go. Let it disappear. Okay. Then Ada, put your cursor on Ada. You see under Ada, if you notice, just put your cursor on the feature.login. Go up. Where's your cursor?
That's my cursor on 19.
Okay. Go up now. Go up. Not on line 19. Go up.
Oh, yeah.
Move your cursor up to that feature.login that is showing at the top of your.
This one?
No, move it one step up. One step up.
Oh, this one.
Okay. You see the other one that is pointing to, no, the next one, the green one, that the button there. Okay, we can still run the feature there. So we have 3 ways of running it. Okay, you can equally run it through there if you click it. Let's generate our snippets. Okay. And then can you drag that in up so that we'll see the execution result? Okay, put your cursor inside and let's see. I don't know why yours is not. What's this? Yours is not really generating everything. Scroll that, drag the scroll down bar down. Don't know why it's not giving you the invalid. Okay, now fantastic. Oh yeah, copy. Scroll down a little, scroll down, scroll up, little by little. Okay. Now wait. We want to copy something. Scroll up. You can see I want only that. Let it be. Wait. Scroll down. Let this. You can implement missing step with snippets be showing. Only that one be showing. Let everything go up. This blue line. Take it up. We don't want to see it. Take it up. We don't want to see it.
This one.
Okay. Wait there. Now, carefully observe. He said you can implement missing steps with the snippets below. Did you see that? Can you read that?
I've given. I am on the
Now,
e-commerce.
copy from there, the ad given step. Copy.
From here.
Highlight that. We want to use that. Yes. Highlight it down. Let's copy everything down. Be going. Let me see.
It's finished.
It's finished.
Yep.
In fact, okay, yes, fantastic. Take it. We'll do the necessary adjustment. Copy. Have you copied?
Yeah, I've copied.
Okay, take it to login step definition.java class. Ahmed, your hand is up.
Yes, I've
first experience this what Ada is experienced before we use the other way around.
I should paste it here.
When I test it on the future login, it did the same thing.
Okay. Okay. We'll hopefully find a solution to it. That's not a problem. Put your cursor on line 5 and paste. You said, Ada, carefully just listen to what I'm saying. On line 55, delete everything on line 55. On line 55, look at it, you can see it there. Delete it. Okay, scroll up. All the way up. Now, before we do anything, before we import anything, Ada, carefully listen to what I'm going to say now.
Yeah, I can hear you.
If you look at line 7, 8, line 13, 14, line 19, 20 is giving us a comment that write code here. That's, I've told us before that the place that it's requested for us to implement block of codes is within that curly bracket open and close. I say again, the implementation of block of codes that we are required that we are required to carry out should be within that curly bracket and close. The curly bracket opens in line 6 and closes in line 9. The other one, it opens in line 12. It closes in line 15. It opens in line 18. It closes in line 21. That's the curly bracket if you closely observe. Now, Ada, everything on line 8, look at it very well. The same thing is repeating itself in line 13, 14, line 19, 20, wherever it is here, going down, delete everything. Take it from up. I said line 8, delete. Line 13, 14, delete. Line 19, 20, delete. Why are you now leaving line 7 now?
Finish. Okay, one more. Did I delete this one too? Hello?
Yes.
Thank you.
Delete it.
Fantastic. Now let's import the libraries for our 𝐂𝐐𝐓 annotations. Now, guys, listen. This is a class which is 3, online 3, and it has methods. Online 15, online, I beg your pardon, online 6, online 12, 13. Those are Java methods. Line 5, anywhere we have our @ given when then is a 𝐂𝐐𝐓 annotations. You know, for us to proceed, we need to import the libraries for the 𝐂𝐶𝐓 annotations. Okay, so for us to import it is for us to hover on that given when then and import the libraries. So I hover on given when then and import everything up to down. I've been teaching this for some time now. You should have an idea about it. So when you put your console on it, if it doesn't happen like this, then you have to build your project. So guys, if you hover on it going forward, it doesn't show this import class. Build your project. Okay, everything will pop right in. Okay. Is that finished now? Scroll down.
It's finished. Okay.
It's not finished. You don't need to bridge it. It's already there. Don't worry about that. Just continue.
Yeah, but this one is not changing.
Because you did not hover on it.
Finished.
Okay. So now, let's begin to write our codes now. Other online 8, put your console there, say enter, so that we'll have space to bring in our login page. Again, say enter again. Put your console on line 9. Say login with capital letter LOGIN. You are using capital letter. Pick the first one. Look, wait.
This one.
Ada,
Yeah.
you don't have to be fast. It has opened a dialog box for you, right? I said login page. You see the first one now? Pick that class login page that is showing you. Then say space. Then the same thing you have to try to type login page. This time you start with small letter, login page. Small letter. Okay. For every Java class or Java code we are writing, we have to say full stop with semicolon. So put semicolon on your keyboard, semicolon. Beautiful. So take your console to line 14. If you can push it inside that code, let everything align. Okay. Say, with the small one, say login page. I didn't tell you to put semicolon. Eh? Space equals to space. Say new. Immediately you type N, new. Don't be fast. Don't be fast. You see a dialog box shake. So whatever you want to type, you look at that dialog box with patience carefully, then you type. As a QA, we don't need to be typing everything. We need to be smart. We need to be copying things the way we want. So whatever we want to copy or whatever we want to type, if it shows here, we'll pick. If you notice that we want to type new login page without WebDriver driver. So you go and pick the second one, the new login page WebDriver driver. Pick that one, okay? And it's telling you we have to have a WebDriver there because we want to have what we call the concept of dependency injection. We want to inject we want to inject our test, our base test inside our login step definition so that we will not have to go over the subnet, the stress of now writing our everything inside our base test, inside our login step definition. We just have to call our base test, like extending our base test inside of here. You know, it's a concept of object oriented programming concept that we call inheritance. We are now saying login step definition class inherit base test inside of here so that we can from here open our browser, click our account link and everything. So now let's call our base test here. Base test. If you look at your base test up, you see it start with capital letter. So start capital letter in that line 14, base test. Just type base test there. But if you type A, yes, inside there, with capital letters BA, you wait and check if what you are typing is showing, and it's showing, and you just double click on that one. Then you say dot driver. You see? And that driver has shown. Then you type it. Then you come out and put a full stop, put a semicolon. Fantastic. Then go to line 21. Okay. Like that. If you notice on line 15, you see that login page that is there. I'm just saying this so that we can pick it up in a granular way. It is pink, right? It's starting with small letter. Let us use it to be calling everything now like my account link. So here it will be login page dot click my account link. Type login page. Click my account link. No. Click that. Click. You write M. You're not supposed to. Yeah. Double click. Fantastic. Scroll down for other lines to show. Scroll down. Okay. Then put your cursor on line 27. We're going to say login page dot click my login link. Click what you are saying there now. No need to type. Then go to line 33. Say login page dot enter email. Then inside the type email, email, type email. Then either double click on this one and copy. Double click on this email. Put your cursor in the middle and double click on it. Copy. Then go to line 32. You see that string, the gray one with the small letter S. The string, not the string 2, the ordinary string, the small letter here. Double click on it and paste it there. Fantastic. Put your cursor on line 33 after the email, the semicolon, and press enter so that you can have login page enter password. Login page dot enter password. Yeah. And then inside now, manually type password. Okay. Double click on this. Override string 2. Override string 2. Double click on string 2. Override it. Double click on those, everything. Double click on it. Then Control V. Fantastic. Then scroll up. Oh, sorry. When I mean scroll up, you know we are done. We are dealt with this one now. We are still continuing. Sorry. Okay, stop here. So when I click the login button, so make sense of it on line 39. Line 39, login dot click the login button. Login button. Delete it back. Then press enter on your system. Okay, wait there. No. On your system, if you can just type curly bracket open. Curly bracket open. Okay. Enter on your system. Enter. Okay. Say login page dot click login button, click login button. Fantastic. Then if you notice, I should be logged in successfully. So let's do assertions here, okay? For everything that we do, we must prove that we did it with an evidence. That's what assertion means. So on line 44, line 44, line 44, line 44. Moving there. Say assert, start with capital A-S-S-E-R-O-T. Then, as I told you before, always observe. Anytime there is a dialog box like this, observe it and go inside it and be patient to see what has been generated inside there. And we are saying assert. And we are using it, it's a TestNG framework we are using. So go and pick that first one, assert. You see it? Double click on it. They will say dot. Now, we'll look at it. We'll pick the first one, assert equals. The inside here, we'll say login dot get account message. Pick it. And I pick it. The dialog box has showed login page dot get account message. Login page. Pick it. The dialog box has showed you now. Pick the first one. Say dot get account message. Then say comma, not full stop or comma, space. Anytime you're having this, just click anywhere in the wherever it will go. Click anywhere here. Then put your cursor back inside that place where we're coming from. Give it a space. Then quotation mark, open and close. Quotation marks, open and close. Because we are getting text. If you look at your login page, we said get text. So we are going to get my account. So let's type my account here, starting with M, capital letter M, capital letter M, capital letter M, small letter Y, then space, capital letter A. Fantastic. So now, like me, what I normally do, I try to be very, very efficient when I'm working as a tester, because so many things I want to do is I've done it before. I don't have to repeat myself anymore. So on line 48, we say, and when I enter an invalid email, that's what the string is telling us, an invalid password. That's what the other string is telling us as well. And we have it in line 34 and 35. Other observe line 34 and 35. We have it as valid, line 34 and 35. So what do? Copy line 34 and 35. Copy it. Line 34 and 35. Line 34 and 35. Copy everything. Line 34 and 35. Copy. Then we bring it to line 50. We place our console on line 50. Place console on line 50. Then we paste. What do we do here? We'll just to have a clarity of people that are reading our code, then we'll put invalid in at the back of our email, and we put invalid at the back of our password, if you can do that. So if I were you, as I tell you, I'm an efficient QA guy, I will just double click on line 48, the invalid there, and copy. You see the invalid on line 48? Line 48, you copy, invalid, Control C, you come back to your line 50, you put it at the back of email, not at the front, inside, at the back of email. Not that one, inside, inside that, yes, you place it there. Then you place it, the same thing in back of password. Then on line 50, your invalid email, you double click, you override string, override that line 49 on that string, the small one, line 49. Yes, just like we did previously with the valid, okay? You drop it, invalid, okay? You go to line 51. You take that invalid, you double click, override the string 2 as password, invalid password. Fantastic. Okay. Then you scroll down. Always watch this video. It's going to do well because it shows you the small, shortest possible shortcut you do. So here we will do validation as well to show that, okay, we actually did not, we actually were able to log in because we didn't log in with valid credentials. So here, Ada, if you notice on line 45, look at it very carefully. Everybody look at it very carefully. On line 45, pretty much the same thing we will do here, but with a little bit of slight changes. So we'll say assert that dot assert equals the way we typed it just now. If you remember, if you notice, we started with capital letter A, then we wait, and if you type it completely at that, there's no need for you to click it. That's why I said when you type 1A, boom, everything will show. Then you click, but with time you will get used to it.
Then come out. That's
double click on it, then say dot. The inside, you say login page, dot. We are getting get warning message. Get warning message. Then we'll now say comma. Then give it space. Then quotation marks open and close, quotation marks. That's where we're going to have our warning message inside. Then if you go to your login feature, if you go and click up your login feature, there we'll know that we have our login warning message here, which is on line 33 and line 34 respectively. Okay, then you see the warning message, the error message, that warning message, which is saying warning, no match for this. Copy it and go and place it inside on line 34. That's it. Copy.
perfect.
Then take it inside that quotation mark open and close we have already. On your login step def, place it inside where the console is blinking. Fantastic. So let's see what is going on. Build your project and let's run it and let's see. As far as everything is okay, I believe everything you've done before. Okay, and let's let me see right click on your runner and let's run it. Ada, your runner. That project structure area, the environment where it's green, the left-hand side, and look for your runner class. Right click on there, say run runner. Yes, good. Okay, and I drag this thing up. Let's see the test. Let's see what happened. So we can attend to it. Okay, wait here. Wait there. One is fail to load class step definition level. By default, Google can be internal class from system. You can restrict this by glue path. The glue path. It's not gluing. That's what it's trying to say. What's going on with your stuff here? So scroll down carefully inside this place. Yes, carefully. Scroll down. Scroll down, just scroll down, let me see. It's not, yours is not clear. So close this one. Go to your runner class. Let me see. Close it. And I go up and close it. You see where you close it. I've taught it a number of times. That slash on your side of this, observe it. Where you are, go up a little bit. Leave those places and go up a little bit. Where that 3 dots are. Yeah. No, not the dots. The other one. Yeah. Click that one. Go to your runner class. Click your runner class. Click it. Open it now. That class. Yes, click that class. Okay. Now let me see. Delete it. Oh, guys, can you tell me what is going on here? There's a mistake here Ada has done, or something has happened, or probably Ada. Can anyone tell me what's the problem here? Okay, Adam, look at your line 9, right? Ada, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, yeah.
Okay. Now you see your own step definition. The step started with capital letter. Step. But here it is small letter. Did you say? No. We have to go by the best practices by the industry. So your step definition that you created there is the one that we need to change. It has to be 𝐂𝐓. If you noticed, we created test runner. The test is small letter. We created utility, it is small letter. We created resources, it is started with small letter. We created step definition, but it started with capital letter. And you created page object, started with capital letter. So we're going to change all those ones because all your package under your directory must be small letter according to industry standards. So that step definition, you see, if one thing is missing, it will not fly. Nothing will work. It will not glue. Do you understand? So change that your step definition, okay? Or rather, no, I wouldn't want you to change it here. Let's stay by standard. I don't want to teach anything that is not best practice. So go to this your step definition on your left-hand side. Adapt. If you can move with speed, I will appreciate it. Your step definition, put your cursor on it and right-click it and let's refactor. Ada, that's your login page now, Ada. I said step definition. Just Ada,
step definition.
Yes, on your this
step
definition. Yeah. Right-click it. Refactor. Come down, no. Come down, refactor. Or rename rather, sorry.
Okay.
Then that S capital letter, change it to small letter.
This one? Oh,
The
this
S.
Okay.
Say refactor. Okay, so let's see what will happen again. Build project. You run it now. Right click on your runner class.java and run your runner. Why is it running invalid? Go to, what is it saying here? Scroll down. Wait. Go up a little bit. I can see something that is saying. Go up a little bit. Okay, wait. Locate element, method expert. Okay, it's not able to locate the elements. Let's Rex, are you there?
Hi, yeah, Harold, I'm here.
Yeah, please go back to login page. Let's locate the elements again. Rex, just for 1 or 2 minutes, please. Let me just mute. And let us go back to the page, that demo website.
Open do you want me to take over? Yeah, muting.
Yeah, just take over for now, for like 2-3 minutes, please. Yes.
No problem.
Go back to that browser. Let's just locate the element. Open your login page, Ada. Yes. Let's look here. Take over, Rex. Just for
which of the features do we want to copy the element? Sorry, is it
from the demo site?
Okay.
Just the my account link.
Okay.
Click on it and let's locate that element and put it.
That's absolutely fine. No problem.
If we can locate all the elements for her again.
Okay. No worries. No worries at all. All right. Cool.
Let me mute here.
No problem, Harold. Adeze, can you go to the environment, the test environment? So the application the application and the test, which is the e-commerce website.
Okay. Can you see it?
No, I think you are sharing just a window. It would be great if you could share the whole screen.
I see it now.
Okay, yeah, I can see it. Yeah. All right. So is this Edge? Are you using Edge?
Yes.
Or do you have Chrome on your laptop?
Yes, I have Chrome.
Okay. Can you copy this link and put it in Chrome? because I want you guys to, this is to all the guys on the call. Now you guys know how to select the elements on the web application. We as QAs, I mean, Harold has mentioned it numerous times. We need to work smart and not harder. So I'll introduce this tool called Selector Hub that will help you to copy the element. First of all, the benefit of this plugin tool is that it will help you to get the right element, and it will also help you to work faster initially. So if you could copy this link and open it in your Chrome, that would be great.
I've opened it.
Can you open a new tab? Can you type Selector Hub? So Selector.
Selector what?
Hub, H-U-B. Yeah, the second one. Yeah, the second one, Selectors Hub. Add S to the selector. So it's Selectors Hub without a space. Yeah, that one there. You can see, yeah, for Chrome. Yeah, Selectors Hub extension. You can see the second one. The second one, Ada. Yeah. All right. So scroll down. Yeah, you can see Selectors Hub installation. Don't go too much. Just scroll up a little bit. Yeah, you can see Selectors Hub installation. Click on that one. Yeah, scroll down. You should see, yeah, add to Chrome somewhere. Scroll down, go down. No, that one is just like anime. Scroll down. You should see that. Scroll up. If not, maybe we clicked on the wrong. Just scroll up, Ada. Go up. Okay, go back. Go back. I think we selected on the wrong. Just click, like, go back. Click on the back arrow. Yeah, scroll up. It should be the first one, I think. Scroll up. Yeah, the one that says expert plugin for Chrome. Yeah, the first one, the first option. Yeah, so guys, if the guys on the call, this will be very handy for you, okay? This will be very handy. I advise each and every one of you to add this to your Chrome. So you can click on add to Chrome. It's free. Scroll down, you can see it. Yeah, add to Chrome. No, the black one, yeah, add to Chrome. It's free. Yeah, so click on add to Chrome. It's highlighted blue. No, on the right side, yeah. Add extension. All right, so it's been added. Now let's go back to the test application under test, which is the e-commerce thingy, the accounts where you have to copy the selector. Like the e-commerce is the second tab. The second tab. The second one, no, the account login.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, you are not logged in, are you?
No.
Okay, click on my account. At the top, click on my account. Yep. And right click on login. And just go to Selector Hub. So instead of you to open the and copy relative experts, which is the third on the list. The third on the list, Ada. The third.
Oh,
it's not.
third. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
No problem. The third option, copy relative expert. So instead of you to open, you having to open the developer console, right click on whatever, blah, blah, blah. When you use the selector hub, it just makes it easy. So let's go back to your IntelliJ. The other guys on the call, have you guys been able to install this plugin? If yes, you can put one in the chat. Ada, let's go back to IntelliJ.
Okay.
Ada, we're going. Okay, no problem. No, that's fine. So delete the element you have here, which starts from // the one that is highlighted green on line 11. Yeah, delete everything don't delete the double quote, only delete where it starts with this // yeah. So the double quote means that you are just no, just delete the first line. Take your time, Ada. We are going one after the other, right? So yeah, just delete the first line. Yeah, and press Ctrl V. Paste what you have copied. Okay. Okay, no, all other my bad. We're supposed to copy my account link first, so we can paste this login link on line 12.
So I should delete it.
Press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl Z. Yes, and paste it on line 12.
This is 12.
Yeah, that's 12. We actually
So
copied for the login.
This one.
Yeah, delete that one. Please, you don't forget you've copied a double quote. You have to stop at the A. Always make sure that double quote is just telling you that like you have sort of like string, or this is like it's a variable or something, all right? Yeah. Yes, kind of a shame is bringing out a hyperlink, but shouldn't be a problem. Okay, obviously you are sharing a window, so I wouldn't want you to stop sharing. Just go back to the environment and click in the email test field and copy the XPath and bring it here. Okay. The same steps, all right. Right click inside the email test field, go to click on Selector Hub and copy the relative expert, which is the third on the list. Alex, are you using Chrome, or did you try to find it in Chrome or Edge? Because you only have this extension in Edge.
So where did you say I should copy? Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, right click in the email test field and go to Selector Hub and copy relative expert, the third.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to go back to your IntelliJ to paste it. You don't necessarily have to stop sharing, or because we have to be efficient here. You stopping sharing, sharing again.
Yeah, but you won't see it. That's the way this thing works. Are you seeing it? I've opened my IntelliJ. Can you see now? I've not stopped sharing. Can you see my IntelliJ?
The problem is you are sharing just a window. You are not sharing the whole screen. So
is that why?
Yes, if you are to share the whole screen, we will see all the movement. But if you are sharing a specific window, it means that you are just sharing a specific window. Yeah.
Okay. Let me stop sharing so you direct me.
Right.
Okay.
So stop sharing and try to click on share.
Share. Okay.
So when you click on share, you can need I have two screens, so you can see screen one.
Okay, I can see entire screen.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, entire screen. So now you can go on line 13, delete the element you have there and paste the one you just copied. Why is it giving you hyperlinks? No. Did you really copy the element? Because it's pretty much giving you the same element you copied. So just go back to Chrome. Yeah, Chrome is, you can see, no, move to the left. Move to the left a little bit. Yeah, you can see Chrome down there. Just click on it. Yeah. So right click inside here.
That again.
Yes, Ada. Yes, right click. Go to you go to selector, copy, left click on copy relative XPath. Yep. Go back to Intel. Yeah. If this most of the time, press Ctrl+Z. Wait, just press Ctrl+Z here.
So I should Ctrl+Z.
Yeah. Okay. And I asked you to press Ctrl+Z. Did you do that?
Yeah, I did it.
And nothing happened. No problem. Take your time to just delete. You can use the backspace, so you don't necessarily have to highlight the whole thing. Yeah, just delete it one by one. I think that will save time. Is it still copying? Oh no. Let's just do it the traditional way. Okay. Yeah, let's just do it the traditional way to save time. So go back on there. Go back to
the side.
Yes, go back to displays. Right click in the email test field. Go to, you should see, click on the arrow. There's an arrow pointing down. We should have, click on inspect. No, just click on inspect. Let's just do it the traditional way. But yeah, this tool that you've just installed will come in handy for you. Right click on the highlighted element. Yeah, right click on there. Go to copy. Go to XPath. Click on XPath on the list, on the drop down list. Yeah, click on XPath. So go back to your dev console. And no. I wanted to go back to Chrome. So when you copy the elements, there are times you might have 2 or 3 of that element on the web application. All right. So you have to ensure it is one of one. So where you have like style, computed layout, click anywhere in that element console. you can click in filter on the right side, you know, where you have style, computed layout, event. Yeah, you can click anywhere and press Control F on your keyboard.
Control F.
Yes. Did you press it? Okay, so press Control V.
Yeah.
So this is just us validating that what you have copied is 1 out of 1, okay? So in that test field that has popped up, you can see next to it, you have 1 out of 1. Move to the right side a little bit. Come down, so you can, yeah, come down. Go to the left. Yeah, go to the left. Yeah, can you see like 1 of 1? Can you see this is in a search field and is 1 of 1? So anytime you copy an element from your dev console, make sure you press Control F. You try to find it, and you have to get 1 of 1. If it's 1 of 2, it will cause an issue. It's like I've given you an address to my house, or I've given you an address to a place, an event center, and there's 2 number 10 doors on the street. You wouldn't know which exactly is mine. So you always have to ensure that it's pretty much applies to Selenium, or it pretty much applies to your driver. When it comes on here and it finds 2 of the elements, it wouldn't know which one to click on. So it's going to conflict. So you always make sure it is 1 of 1. So let's go back to our IntelliJ. Yeah, delete, just press Control Z. Yeah, press Control V. Yeah, do same for password. Let's go back to Chrome. Yeah, we'll come back to login. Don't worry, we'll come back to login link. Let's just go to let's be quick here, okay, Ada? Let's not waste time on this. Yeah,
You want me to delete this one?
Yeah, you can delete it. Yeah, you can delete it.
Yeah, don't bring my phone to the bathroom again.
Yeah, you can delete the HTTPS. Ada, please be a little bit, don't be scared. Delete it. Yeah. Let's go back to Chrome. Yeah, with the way your dev console is positioned, we'll have to close it. So just close it at the top right corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, that one. Yeah, click on the close. Click in the password test field as well. Yeah, go to inspect. No. We are not using the selector hub because it gave us the wrong element. So let's just go with the traditional way. Right click on this. Go scroll down. Yeah, XPath. Control F. Control V. No. It's already there. So just press Control F, Control V. Okay, so this is giving us 1 of 1 as well. So we are good. All right, let's go back to IntelliJ. Let's quickly paste it, come back, repeat ourselves, you know. So this is gonna be, no. That's for line 14. Press Control Z. We'll come back to the login link and account link, all right? Don't worry about that. So line 14, delete what you have there. I think it's pretty much the same, to be fair, but yeah, just to be on the safer side, let's do it all over again. So let's go back to Chrome quickly. Let's click on the login. Close this, close it. Let's click on login. Right click, yeah, go to inspect. The same thing, right click on the highlighted element. Go to copy, XPath, Control F, Control V. Bingo, we have 1 of 1. Let's go back to IntelliJ. line 15. Yeah. Yeah, Control V. Let's go back to Chrome. Yeah, close this. So go scroll up. Before we log in, just right click on my right click on login. Yep. No. Under right click on login. Go to inspect. Yeah. Okay, it's actually giving us a hyperlink. Okay. Control F, Control V. Yeah. 1 of 1. This one should be on line 12. Okay.
Oh.
Be on line 12.
It should be here.
Yes, Sada. Let's go back to Chrome. Close this one. Right click on my account. So yeah, inspect. You know what to do now. Yes. Line 11, okay?
11.
Yes. Also, so Ada, to give you because when you after go back to okay, it's fine. Just close this one. Close it. So do you remember your credentials?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you already logged in Edge, we can go back to yeah, you can log in. You can log in if you don't mind. Password is encrypted, so we are not going to see your password. Don't worry.
What's that? That's gone viral.
The password that will take us to your bank account.
Should I log in?
Oh, okay. I think one of your colleagues, Alex, wants the link to the e-commerce website. Okay, if you guys can help him. Yeah, log in. You can close this. So we want to validate. We want to close this one as well. You can save the password or you can decide not to save it, whichever. So just like Harold mentioned, we want to validate that we have actually logged into the account. And how do we validate this? We are validating with a page source. What does it mean? Page source means that when we log in, anything that we can validate with anything at all on this page. All right, this page source. So we login page. Yeah, with the account message, you can click on my account, which is go to the not that. Come to the left. Yeah, the left. My account, which is written boldly. Yeah, my account. Yeah, that one. Yeah, right click on it. Harold, is this what they are using to validate, right? Is this my account you guys are using to validate? Because I can see another my account here, but I just want to be sure. If Harold is not on the call, yeah, you can inspect it. I think it's pretty much that one. Yeah, go to inspect. Yeah, right click is highlighted. Go to copy. Go to yes, Control F. Okay, yeah. So go So line 16. Copy
15.
that. 16, line 16. Okay, so now let's go back to our application again. Let's go back to our application. Chrome one more time. Close this. Now log out. Log out. And try to log in with an invalid credentials. We need that warning. So you can, continue. Go to login. Delete your password. You can delete your password. Just delete your password and log in. Try to log in. No. Don't enter a password. Just click on login because we want that invalid message to pop up. All right. So where you have warning, no match for email address or password, just right click on that one as well. Yeah, go to inspect and go to copy. Sorry. Control F. Yes. I think it's pretty much the same elements we had there, but paste it on line 17. So, Ada, do you understand why when you copy something from the application and that test, do you understand why you have to copy it on line 12, you have to copy on line 13? Do you know why you have to copy it on a specific, you have to paste it on a specific line?
Because the one we just copied, the invalid, this thing is the warning message. That was what we copied.
Exactly. And on line 16, we copied my account message. And for line 15, we copied login button. Remember, line 14, we copied password input. Okay.
Password, email, login, and my account. We copied my account. Yeah.
That's correct. That's correct. So now try to save all.
Control S.
You can Control S. Yeah, try to save all. No, go up. Yep, save all. It's always good to build your project. So can we build your project? And can we, did it build? And can we
build it again?
Yeah, as long as, you can build it again. You can build it again. Yeah, I think, So now right click on your runner and run it. Fingers crossed. Did you have this open previously?
No.
Okay. We are making progress then. What's happening?
Okay, when Harold was doing it, it opened.
Oh, it opened.
Yeah, when he was doing
it. Okay, it's failing. What was the reason for failing? Because we can't see any action happening. All right. Okay, so what have we got? Okay, failed to load, blah blah, which is all right. Scroll down. Because okay. Scroll down. Element unable to locate element expert. Which one is that? Selenium, no such element, unable to locate element. Can you scroll to the right side? I want to see which element is not locating. So there's a bar. Yeah, take your time. Okay, is the email test field, it says it can't locate that element. What we can do here is to copy a different element, okay? So you can close this, terminal. And instead of us to use XPath, we can use CSS, okay? So on line 13, where you have email input is equal to XPath, delete the XPath. No, not the elements, where you have by.xpath. No. Yeah, no, before the bracket, yeah. Delete the XPath up to the dot. Delete the dot. And press the dot again. Yeah, copy CSS selector. No, which is the fourth on the list. CSS selector. So we have different type of locators, all right? We have ID, we have CSS selector, we have XPath. Selenium is telling us that it's unable to find this XPath. It being unable to find this XPath could be due to two reasons, all right? It's either it's not there. Sometimes we do have elements that are dynamic, okay? So every time you run your Selenium, anytime you run your test, the elements do change on the web applications, and such elements can be a hell, like they can be pain. In this case, or the other option could be that Selenium is running faster than Chrome. So when it opens the Chrome, it's not able, like it runs faster. So it's not able to locate the element on the web application, all right? So in this case, we can use something called wait. We have implicit, explicit wait. I think we do have wait in here. So this still like happening, we can change the element to understand that, okay, maybe it's just the XPath that is not like, it can't, Selenium can locate. Let's go back to the application and the test. Let's go back to Chrome. Close this. So delete your email. Delete the email you have in there. Right click in the email test field. Go to inspect. So right click on the highlighted element. Go to copy. This time around, we are not copying XPath. Okay, we will copy CSS. We will copy selector. So click on copy selector. Control F. Control. Okay, that's one of one. So let's go back. Delete the green, the green thing you have in the double quote. Just like you delete the element.
13, yeah.
Yeah, 13, yeah. And sometimes, obviously, we are still in the early stages, but as a QA, as I'm talking, you can delete it, all right?
Okay.
As a QA, you will have to write your element yourself. You will have to, you don't have to go on there to copy it. You will have to write it yourself. That's another level. It comes with experience and it comes with time. It's nothing crazy, but for now, let's just copy what we have on the web application, okay? So Ada, if you can save this and run your test. Did you save it?
Yeah, I've saved.
Okay, run your test. Nothing is actually happening because it's not clicking on my account. It's not entering your email. It's not entering your password. There's no movement at all, okay? To help troubleshoot this better, we can probably add the test ng report to see what actually happens. So what we are doing now is just troubleshooting, all right? We are troubleshooting to find the root cause of your error. And this is mostly referred to as debugging. So it's still complaining that and I enter valid email and okay, no such element. This is quite strange. All right, Ada, can you close this? Can you close this? Okay, wait, before you do that, let's scroll down. It's also Windows AMD.
Maybe I have to uninstall everything and start all over.
I don't know if it's no. That is scroll up. It's also complaining about your Java version. It says that Windows 10, AMD 64 OS, and Java. Is it? Okay, it's not complaining about it. Okay, it's just giving the build. All right, let's go. Let's go down. No, scroll down. And I enter invalid, unable to locate element. Scroll down. Okay, so it's saying unable to locate element. No problem. Let's check your page object one more time. And yeah, figure out what might be wrong, what you did wrong. And yeah, the guys on the call as well, if you notice anything that is not matching with what you guys have, we can all help at that troubleshoot. Okay, so scroll up, Ada. Scroll up. I want to see from line 1. No, line 1. Okay, you have, or you've imported whatever you have to import: public class, login page, private web driver. We have that. Okay, we have everything. So now scroll down, public, login, yeah, web driver, this driver. Okay, so we have public void. Click my account link. So we have Ada, take your time. As a queue, when you are troubleshooting, you don't have to be in a rush, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you notice public void click login link is not highlighted like the way click my account link is highlighted. So there's a possibility there is. Scroll up. Wait. Click on my way. Yeah. Click. So public void. Did you generate the step definition for that? Let's go to your step definition. Scroll up. Okay, I think scroll down. Do you have click my account link? Okay, so if you notice line 22 and line 28, I think you duplicated the step. So instead of having to click on my my account link, change line 28 where you have login.click on my account link. You have to change it to click on my login link. Can you see line 22 and 28 is the same?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, which obviously it doesn't. You don't need that. You don't need it because you've repeated the same method. You are not calling the method in your page object here for login. So before the go delete like before the bracket, blah blah blah, like login page dot click my account link on line 28. Start deleting from after the bracket, the semicolon. No, start deleting from the semicolon. Yeah. Go in front of it.
With the semicolon.
Yes, Ada.
Okay.
Yeah, dot. So now click dot and choose click login link. Yep. The first one. And yep. So you should save it and go back to your page object. We should have your save all. And let's go back to your page object class. Yeah, that one, login page.java. So can you see that on line 30 now click login link is highlighted blue, but before it was a faded color. Did you notice that, Ada?
Okay.
Did you notice it? You didn't.
Yeah, it's blue, yeah.
But did you notice it was gray before? The attention to details. All right, no worries. Try to run it.
Did I build?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you can build it. You're so good at talking, but when it comes to automation, you become very silent.
Oh, pass me.
What's that?
Automation.
Automation is so easy and it's repetitive. You guys will get tired of it. It's pretty much the same thing you do over and over and over and over again. Trust me, it's even boring than manual testing. So run it. So can we see it's working now? There she goes. Okay. So something little, all right, something little can have you. I quite remember I was having issues with my automation, all right. I stayed up for like 3 nights, not sleeping, just trying to figure that out. And you won't believe it, it was just like the @ sign that I placed in a wrong place in my code, and that made my code, like it had my code failing. And immediately I deleted that. I was able to execute my test. And as a QA, sometimes what will drive you like crazy is for your test to be failing and not having the solution to it. So Ada, you see, you are good now. All right. I think one of the guys shared his screen earlier at the start of the class, and he created his, how do you call it? He created his Spark file, and he created his extent file as well. Who was that? Was it Victor?
It was Victor.
Okay. And I think Harold sends that to Victor, isn't it? He sent it into his DM, right? So if Victor is still on the call, all right, okay, no worries, Ada. So minimize this, close this terminal. All right, so now right click on resources, go to new and go to file. And we have to name this file extent.properties. So EXTENT, no, X-ray dot properties. We would also press enter. We would create another file under the same directory resources. We will name it spark-config.xml. So Spark, all in lower cases, all right? Spark-config. So config is simply configuration, all right? But in the IT world, most of the time is called config, all right? .xml. Have we still got
Is it XM or XN?
XM, Mango, Mama, Milk, Lima. Press enter. Have we still got Victor on the call? Or have we got Alex, Dennis, which the guys that already have their extent report in place? Have we got any of them on the call active?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Victor, could you please help us by sending the piece of code you have in your extent report and the piece of code you have in your Spark config into the general QA chat? Okay.
All right.
Thank you. And that you'll be going on Telegram. So if you have anything you don't want us to see, any private chat, you can stop sharing. And no, we always emphasize on this because when you are in a professional setting in your workplace and you are sharing your screen, you wouldn't want to open your work because sometimes on your work laptop, you have your web WhatsApp or your web Telegram. And when you have stakeholders on call and you are sharing your screen, you wouldn't want to show us your Telegram or your...
This one.
Yes, this one. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, paste it here. What happened? No, oh no. That's for extent report. All right. So go back to Spark file. Go back to sparkfile.xml.
Could it be because of this red?
Oh no, go to extent report. Go to no. I think go to extent report.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, paste what you just copied. All right. And now on line 14, obviously your name is not Harold. So if you could change Harold to 𝐂𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐓. Okay. You can also change the project. Okay, it's the same open 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶. Yeah, it's the same project. All right. Victor has done us a favor by pasting the Spark XML file. So if you can go back to Telegram and copy that.
Victor didn't send second one.
He has. Go into the chat.
Okay.
You'll find it. Yes. Yes, this one. No, the second one, no. Yeah, go to your Spark file, your Spark config file, and paste it. All right. We have to scroll down. I don't think we have to amend anything here, do we? Yeah, scroll up. Yeah, we should be all good. So save all this. Yeah, save it. Build your project, and yeah, run it. Okay, so now we have all tests executed. Can you close this terminal? Yeah, go to your target file. You can see test report. Click on the test report on the side navigation panel where you created your Spark file. You can see target. Scroll down. You can see target folder, targets directory. Scroll down. What is highlighted orange? Yeah, you can see test report. Click on the arrow next to test report. 13th December 2024. You can see that. Yeah, click on that. You should see HTML report. Click on that. No, just click on the arrow. We are trying to, yeah. So double click on the automation. Double click on the automation test. Okay, the test. Yeah, double click on it. So go on here. I think you should go on this. Yeah, go to the right side. You can see IntelliJ icon. No. Calm down. Yeah, you can see an IntelliJ icon. Click on the Chrome. Yeah. So now all the tests you've executed is here. It will give you like the scenarios, the feature. If you click on the next, move to the left side. Move to the left side. Move to the left side. Yeah, you can. No. Calm down. You can see like a bar. The next one, you can see like a hamburger menu. Calm down. Left side. Yeah, the icon. Yeah, click on that. The second one.
This one.
No, the second one. The second one.
Yeah.
Double click. Did anything happen? Yeah, you can see you have validate. Click on validate login with valid credentials. Yeah, click on the second one, the second drop down. Click on the second one that has come. Yeah, so you can see your steps, you can see everything. So this is what, if you have to report to the business, go back to your IntelliJ. You can see PDF report. Click on the PDF report as well. And the HTML reports. No, on the left side, on the left navigation panel, where you clicked on the HTML reports.
Yeah. Where?
No, on where you have resources and login feature. Whenever it says where you have your folder structure, scroll down. So you just clicked on automation test and it brought up this piece of XML code, HTML code you have here. So under it, you can see PDF reports, isn't it? Where you have login feature, come down, all the way down. Come down. You come down, you can see PDF report.
Yeah,
click on it. Click on the thing, click on the arrow next to it. That's just a directory. Yeah, we want what is inside. So double click on the extend, double click on that one, extends.pdf, double click on it. So this will give you a PDF like report of all your tags. So for instance, if you click on summary.
Okay.
Yeah, click on summary, click on tags. So do you guys remember you have click on the tags under summary. You guys have tags where you have like at test. So this at test, we've mentioned you can change it to smoke, regression, end-to-end testing, all of this, all right? If you go to features, you see you have one feature. Try to click on everything one after the other quickly. If you go on feature, you'll see your features. If you go to scenario, you'll see your scenarios. If you go to details, you'll see the details, all right? So you have a fully functional Java automation test framework in place. When you go into your organization, you can use this same framework. You can set up a Java test automation framework using the same piece of code. You just have to know the ones to change. Something like element, the name of the classes of your page object and your step definition. You just have to know what to name them. But this is it, okay? So good luck with your job set. No problem.
Did you say good luck with your job search?
Yes, now you are ready for the market. So, yes, good luck. Get your CV up and running and start searching. Okay? Yes. I don't know if anyone has got any question, if anyone is having any issue. If not,
Thank you.
It's Friday night. It's 12. We would call it a day.
Stop sharing.
Yes.